In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and reset the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat. If your workspace feels cluttered or you can't find the tools you need quickly, a few minutes of setup will make a big difference. First, open Adobe Acrobat. When the app loads, look near the top and the sides of the window. You'll see small icons you can click and drag. This is your toolbar. These icons represent tools like highlight, comment, or organize pages. You can rearrange them by pressing and holding an icon and moving it left or right until it sits exactly where you want. This helps keep your most used tools within easy reach. To see everything that's available, find the three-button icon, often shown as three dots, on the toolbar. Click it. A panel opens with all the available tools. This is where you can browse categories and decide what belongs in your quick toolbar. When you see a tool you use often, add it to your quick toolbar. Depending on your version, you'll either click an add or a plus symbol, or simply drag the tool into the toolbar area. Try to choose the items you use every day so the bar stays clean and efficient. After you've added what you need, close the menu to return to your document. Give your new layout a quick test. Select a few tools, switch between them, and make sure the order feels natural. If something isn't in the right place, you can drag it again at any time. If you ever want to undo your changes, you can restore the toolbar to its factory settings. Open the same three-button menu and look for the option to reset or restore the toolbar. Confirm the prompt, and Acrobat will return the toolbar to its initial layout, removing the customizations you just made. This is a safe way to start fresh if the toolbar gets too busy or you simply want the original setup back. A quick tip before we wrap up: keep your quick toolbar focused on the 5 to 7 tools you use most. Fewer icons mean faster clicks and less scanning. And remember, you can always come back to the three-button menu to add, remove, or reset as your work changes. Feel free to practice on any document. You're only changing the interface, not the contents of your PDFs. That's it. Your Acrobat toolbar is now tailored to you, and you know how to restore it at any time.